Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into one of Paint's newest and most exciting features for Windows 11 layers. Imagine being able to edit different parts of your image independently without accidentally messing up your entire project. That's it, let's get started. So first off, you have to hit the start button, and then you have to search for Paint, and then you have to click the top result to open the app, and then you have to click the layers button from the command bar, and after that you have to click the create a new button from the right pane, and then you have to create the elements you want to include in the layer. Besides, you can also click on File and select Import to Canvas menu and choose from a file option to add an image. And then you have to click the layers button again to create another layer. And then you have to create the elements you want to include in the layer. And after that you have to drag the layer up or down from the right pane to bring it forward or backward depending on your needs. And then you have to click the button on the top right of the layer to hide it as necessary. The option to hide a layer can be useful for working on a specific layer without affecting the others. And then you have to right click a layer and choose Merge Down option to combine two layers. And after that you have to right click a layer and choose Duplicate Layer option to make a copy of the current layer. And then you have to right click a layer and choose Delete Layer option to remove a specific layer you no longer need. In this experience, you'll also find a layer at the bottom of the left pane, which is the primary layer of the image file. Note that you cannot delete it as of now, but you can hide it for a transparent background or change its color depending on your needs. And that's it for today's tutorial on using layers in Paint on Windows 11. I hope this feature helps take your projects to the next level. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more tips and tricks on Windows 11 and beyond. And as always, drop your question or feedback in the comments below, and I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.